Hey, Lisa the Pilates chick here. Hey, Lisa the Pilates chick here. Today we're going to be doing a quick core and stretch workout, in and out, 15 minutes. All you need is a strap, or if you don't have a yoga strap, you can also use a towel. And then you'll of course need a nice cushy mat. So let's get started. We're going to come down on your back, lower all the way down. First starting with shoulder bridge. Inhale, press your hips up high, getting everything nice and warm. Lower all the way down. Press it up and lower. I wish everybody a happy holiday tomorrow. If you're traveling, safe travels. This is a great warm-up if you get off the plane and you get to your hotel room. Nice little stretch session. And lower down. Cross one ankle over. Lift up into that bridge. And lower. Inhale it up. And one more time. And uncross. Other side. Lift it up. Lower down. These are great activities to train your glutes. And also you want to think about if you have knee issues, this is a great activity to do, especially the exercise single and double leg shoulder bridge. And release that down. Bring your hands behind your head. Crunches, we are not of course going to do those. Here's an alternative. Curl up. Get up to where that tape measure goes, right underneath your chest. Bring one knee up and tap and change. And switch and breathe. If you have low back issues and neck issues, crunches are not for you. Give this a go and add this into your workout routine and see how much it fires up your core. One more. And lower. Turn your head from left to right just to get all the kinks out. And bring your hands back behind your head. Bring both knees up, curl up. Now lower both your legs and lift. Breathing down and up. Inhaling up, exhaling down. 2 more times. Last one. And lower all the way back down. The dead bug. I love these. These are a great alternative. I use them in most of my videos. Right arm and left leg. Reach. Now, if you have low back pain, there's alternatives. You can do crunches on a ball. But ideally, you're not training the right muscles. Isometric is definitely the way to go, especially if you have some of those injuries. 2 more. Last one on each side. All right, let's make it a little harder. Longer lever. Dead bug, just a longer lever. Right arm, left leg. Take your leg straight. Your head is staying down. No tension in your neck. Your neck is relaxed. You're letting all the stress go away from your day. You showed up. You pushed play. Stick it out. Consistency is the name of the game. That's what's going to help reach your fitness goals, is scheduling your workouts. One more. And bring your knees in. Give them a little hug. Next up, hands behind your head, curling all the way up. Lower one leg and lift. Now we're just doing single knee folds. Nothing crazy. 2 more times. Really curl up to the tips of those shoulder blades. Feel your abs turn on. And lower all the way down. Give them a nice big hug. And straighten your right leg. Put your hand on the mat, lower it down, lift it up. 5 of these. Pushing your hand down, all of your spine is to the mat. No tension on the hip flexors. Last time. And lower all the way down. Other leg. Lift it up and lower. Notice which side of your pelvis is wanting to come up. Is it even? Or is one hip higher than the other? You can tell that by putting your thumbs right in the front of your hip bones. One more. And lower. Come all the way up for side planks. Roll onto your side. Bring your right shoulder right over your elbow. Your bottom knee is bent. We're going to press it up. Look forward. We're going to be here for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Lower that hip, down and up. Reach to the sky. You're either looking at your thumb or looking forward. 2 more times. Last one, hold, and now tap the floor. You can either follow your hand or look forward. Keep pushing that floor away. Keep your shoulder right over your elbow. 1 more. Hold it up here for 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Whoo. Lower all the way back down. We've got the other side to do. All right, set up for your left side. Arm up in the air and let's go up. We're here for 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, and lower that hip down and up. Hike that top hip up to the sky. Reach your fingers up to the sky. 1 more. And hold. Give me that tap the floor. And open. Follow your hand or look forward. 2 more. Last one. And lower all the way back down. We have some planks to do. Onto your back. Let's hold it right here for a nice little stretch. Let your belly stretch toward the floor. Take 1 more breath in and out. Bent knee planks. Come all the way into your mat. I'm going to move forward a little bit here. Come up to your knees. Now your head and your butt is in a nice straight line. I don't want your butt sticking all the way up. And hold. Pull your belly toward the sky. Push the floor away. We're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go up into full planks. Flex your toes. Press up and hold for 8. Push the floor away. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Knee bends. Lower the right leg and up for 4. Alternating 3, 2. Come on, 1 more. And lower those knees. Press back into child's pose. Round your spine. Breath in. 1 more breath in. And out. And bring it all the way up to your side. Face me. We're going to do the mermaid stretch. Z-sit your legs. Bring your left hand on the floor. Your other hand right over here by your ankle. Inhale over, stretch, get long, sink that hip down, and come up. Inhale over, and up. Now this time, hold it here, lower your forearm, bring your right hand up in the air, palms facing each other. Nice big side bend. We don't get enough of these in our daily life. We sit, we drive, we commute for work. We forget about the side body. Let's switch sides. A lot of times if you're having back and shoulder issues or just back issues in general, your glutes are tight. Let's stretch it over and causing some of your back issues. And stretch. If you've got a roller at home, you can roll them out with a lacrosse ball. Palms face each other. Hold it here. You can use a tennis ball. It's just not as hard and you won't get the results you're looking for. It won't release as much. And bring it all the way back up. Go ahead and grab your strap. Lay on your back. And let's get some stretches in for the lower body. You can always use a towel as well. And just all we're going to do is hold it here. Pulling your toes to your nose. Letting the muscle relax. Breath in. Exhaling it out. Open your leg out to the side. 2 hands or 1, your choice. And bring it back. And straighten your left leg. Bring it across your body. Look at your right thumb. This is a great workout, especially if you've traveled for the holiday. Do it when you get to your hotel room or on your lunch break. Before you do all that holiday shopping online, right? Black Friday sales. And bring it back up. Give your body some love. Figure 4. Pull on that strap. And if you want a deeper stretch, push that leg open. And release. Let's get the other side in. Left leg. I love stretching with the strap. It's one of my favorite pieces of equipment to give clients homework with because it makes it more accessible. Now, if your knee doesn't bend all the way or if you have issues with it, just leave it bent. Listen to your body. Don't push through the pain. And open it out to the side. 1 hand or 2. Let it stretch. Inner thighs, a lot of times if you're a runner, are usually really tight. This is a great stretch for it. Bring it back up. Straighten your right leg. Bring it across your body. Look at your left thumb. And breath in. Breath out. Bring it back up for that figure 4. Now everybody's figure 4 is different. One side may be harder and more challenging to stretch than the other. If you want it more open, push that leg open, the left knee, and just hold it and stretch. And release it. Now cross your right ankle over your left knee. Put your hands to a T and dip your legs to the left. Look at your right thumb and just enjoy the opening in the stretch. One more full inhalation and exhale. Bring it back to center. Uncross, recross. Dip your legs over to the right, look left. If you need a little more room, take your right leg toward the midline and hold. Maybe your feet touch the floor, maybe your knees touch. Just let it stretch. And bring it back to center. Bring your knees in. A little rock from side to side. I love to end with the happy baby stretch. However, to make it more accessible, put a towel on your legs, let your feet go wide, and now bend your knees toward you and just give them a pull. Now rock it from side to side and just let your back stretch and open. If you want a little bit more, open your legs wider. Think about going side to side on the ceiling. And release. Put your feet together and take off your strap. And we are done. I told you it'd be short and easy. Thanks for sticking around for the full thing. I'll leave the link in the description box below for the yoga strap if you happen to want to purchase those. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hopefully we'll see you on your mat again. Have a great holiday. Bye.